Hi, I am Niket Kabra, founder and CEO of Velvu Technologies Private Limited. With my experience in multi-brand distribution in the surveillance industry, I noticed a clear gap in the market for high-quality, reliable, and affordable security solutions. There was a need for more innovation and a consumer-centric approach, and that's what inspired me to start Velvu. We established our 32,000 square feet manufacturing facility to build a strong foundation for our operations. From the beginning, we have focused on creating advanced surveillance products with a commitment to quality at affordable price. We believe in power of innovation, which is why we invest heavily in research and development to stay ahead of the curve. At Velvu, we design solutions that meet the unique security needs of our consumers, whether it's for homes, businesses, or public spaces. No area should be left unprotected. As a proud Make in India brand, we are dedicated to offering reliable and high-quality products that provide peace of mind. Our core values are integrity, excellence, and creating great user experiences. And as W. Deming said, quality is not an act, it is a habit. This is the mindset that drives us at Velvu every day.
Hi, I'm Saket Kabra, founder and CFO at Velvu Technologies Private Limited. At Velvu, our manufacturing facility plays a key role in delivering high-quality products to meet the growing demand of the surveillance industry. We carry manufacturing capacity of over 3 lakh units monthly, including CCTV cameras, power supplies, and other essential accessories. From sourcing premium materials to final delivery, our production process ensures that highest quality products are manufactured with complete efficiency and effectiveness. We rigorously inspect each product at every stage to guarantee that only the best versions of our products reach the market. Our vision is to make Velvu the leading brand in CCTV surveillance, not just in India but globally. Our commitment is to deliver carefully crafted products that provide unmatched reliability and performance in the surveillance industry, earning the trust of our consumers both in India and globally.
Hi, I am Varsha Kabra, Director at Velvu Technologies Private Limited. At Velvu, we firmly believe in the power of teamwork and are committed to helping each team member excel in every aspect of their role. We invest heavily in skill-based training programs, enabling our employees to adopt to new technologies, broaden their knowledge, and improve the quality of their teamwork. We also take great pride in our Women Empowerment Initiative. We offer opportunities for women to gain valuable technical skills, achieve financial independence, and succeed in their careers. It's about providing a platform for growth and self-confidence. Creating a healthy and supportive work environment is our top priority. We encourage open communication, foster a culture of continuous learning, and ensure that every employee feels valued and motivated to contribute their best. Our human resource practices focus not just on professional development, but also on employee well-being, work-life balance, and long teamwork career growth.
Hello, I'm Ruchika Karma, Director at Velvu Technologies Private Limited. At Velvu, we understand the importance of a strong digital presence in today's world. Our goal is to connect with the consumers through various online